Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Today we're going to process this big piece of a tree that fell yesterday in a yard nearby. Now, this isn't just any tree. This is called the bottle brush tree. I'm pretty sure this is not the weeping bottle brush. I think it's just a regular bottle brush, but the wood on the interior should be pretty good. If we take a look, it's not dry. This thing is very much alive still, but getting through this with a handsaw was a little too easy in my opinion, so it's pretty soft. But trying to get through this with the handsaw was not even possible, so that tells me there's probably a very hard heartwood. So we'll process this today and set it up for the cure process, so that in about a year's time we'll be able to use this wood to turn pens. So we're going to start. We have just a sawzall and a long blade, and we're going to get going on that right now. Now, I don't need my sections to be all that big. I want them to be at least 2 feet, no bigger than 3. Now, if you look on the bark, this bark looks very similar to oak wood or oak bark. So here's a live oak. See the similarities? I mean, it's pretty amazing. Deep valleys and just really natured looking. Okay, we've got it all cut up, bunches of pieces, but we got some friends. We're gonna have to get rid of them though. So I'm gonna treat this wood with an insecticide. I use this stuff because it works. So I'm just gonna spray it all over the whole thing and inside those grub holes. Here's the setup where we're going to place this wood for about a year. I want it off the ground. I want it able to drain. I don't want any leaves and stuff able to build up around the base of it. So here we are. We got a little setup that accomplishes that. And I'm just going to set it all right over here. Also, this location is under some trees, so I don't want it out in the full sun. I don't want any sun touching it. Anyhow, this is how it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you some pens that we make out of this very wood right here in about a year's time. Have a great day.